Okay, the berries you're looking at here, these are premier blueberries. They get ready along for about a 3-week period. They don't get ready all at once now. And these are large, very large berries. You can see in my hand here how big they get. Some as big as nickels and some of them even quarters. Uh, it's a very sweet berry. It's an early berry. The pollinator for these are the ones that's behind it here. These are the Tiff Blues. Now there is no market anymore for the Tiff Blues. These are a smaller berry. The thing about the Tiff Blues is if we had known, or my parents had known, they would have planted twice as many premiers as they did Tiff Blues because they were pushing the Tiff Blues at the time. And what happens is the Tiff Blues all get ready all at once. Now if you're a marketer and you're picking with a machine, that's fine. But what happens is when they all get ready and it rains, they burst on you, and then they start souring real easy. So for that reason, we try to steer away from the Tiff Blues. Now the Tiff Blues is even sweeter than the premiers are, but because of the sugar content, they'll bust and sour very, very fast. As a matter of fact, when you go to picking in here, once they go to getting ripe, it's almost like being in a winery because so many of them fall off on the ground and you're stepping on them that they actually begin to sour, and it's like wine. It's a wine smell. And we have literally probably 500 to 600 gallons of them that just go to waste because we have no way to market them. We have no way to pick them. There's just too many of them, and then they start busting. And the open market doesn't want berries that's busted because when you get busted ones mixed in with your good ones, all your berries get sticky and you can't wash them. They're really only good for making things like jellies and jams and stuff like that with. So for that reason, we mainly focus on the premiers, trying to keep up with them. Because as soon as the premiers are over, the Tiff Blues will kick in for about a week and a half, or to 2 weeks, and then they're gone. So that's the difference between these two particular berries here. We do pick some of the Tiff Blues, but we mainly focus on the premier because they get ready gradually and you don't have to worry about picking them all at once. Whew. Water dripping off your elbows. And it's cold. It's like 60 degrees out here this morning and we're soaking wet in my arms. You can see the water on my arm. Hands get plumb numb feeling they're cold. Because you have to get up in these trees to find the berries early on like this. The ones in the top get ready first. You have to pull these limbs down and reach in here and get the berries.
Guys, you see how wet I am? My bangs, my glasses got water. This is what it is like picking berries at 6 o'clock in the morning. The dew on these are awesome. You see? Danny's getting wet. You can see the moisture on him.
Oh yeah, I'm soaking wet. My arms.
It's just dripping off the arms.
It's just dripping off our arms.
I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Off mine. I don't know.
We're just soaked.
It's kind of
We have to pick this time in the morning because it gets too hot. The berries, if they're warm, will not hold up.
Yeah, we want them cool.
You have to get them when it's cold.
And I want to show you guys. I don't know if I can get it where we show. All right, this is just 2 rows. There's 4 rows of these, and it goes, how long are these rows?
They're about 150 feet long.
150 feet long. You can't see because they're growing into each other here. But they do need some trimming. If you get down, you can see it goes all the way through.
Like being in a utopia.